Good afternoon, sir. I'm Varun.
Good afternoon.
I'm Varun. I'm doing my first year MBA in VIT Business School. Today I have came to here to interview about what are the HRM practices you have been doing in your company. Welcome, sir. First, generally know about your information. What are the job role you have been doing and duties you have carried in it.
Okay. Good afternoon, Arun. First of all, thanks for arranging this session. Yes, sure. We will discuss all the areas one by one as you are asked just now. Uh, Before going to the detailed introduction, then I just give myself. I am Rajesh. I am working in TUV India company, TUV India Private Limited, Chennai, and I am in HR department. I am working as a deputy manager HR. My job role. So in this company, I am working for working for the infrastructure department. My job role in this particular sector, I am handling different kind of HR functions like recruitment, payroll support, performance management, and training related supports, employee engagement activities. So all the some major functions I am working currently at present.
These are your job role duties you have been carried out through this many years. You're trying to say like it.
Uh, I am working in this company last 4.5 years. I am working all these functions since 2016 onwards.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Can you give us an information? How did you know about the vacancy in your company, sir?
Yes, Varun. When I am, can you please pardon? Repeat your question.
How did you know about the vacancy in your company, sir?
Uh, I'm not understand your question.
Sir, in recruit and selection practice, how did you know about the vacancy in your company, sir?
Mr. Varun, at the time of I am joining this organization, I came to know the vacancy details through the consultant who is providing the recruitment consultancy services. Through them, I came to know the job vacancy of TU India. Okay, after joining, now there is a different other modes are there. We are publishing in our company website and our social medias, and we are posting in the job portals. The other tools we are using for just publishing the requirement. These two things we can come to know the vacancy details, and other part we can come to know through our employees, the company who's already working in the organization, and they are invited to refer their friend circle and related to the job suitable job related person.
So, what was the procedure to apply for the job in your company, sir?
Procedure to apply, before apply you have to find out whether the job is available, vacancy is there in the organization. So how to find out? You have to visit the company website.
Okay,
So
sir.
first of all, you have to go to the TU India website and go to the career page, and there is a listed what are all the current active positions are there, and find out which is relevant to you. You
Okay.
have to go through the complete job description, and if you feel that you are suitable for that position, you have to upload your details and send it to the company. Your mail will receive from the HR department.
Okay, sir. What are the different selection tests you went through, sir, while joining the company?
While I'm joining this company, I had a different kind of interview process, selection process. One is first round telephonically they interviewed. After my telephonic interview is over, they called for the direct interview. On the direct interview, there is a two board panelist. The board panelist was interviewed me through face to face, and there was a final interview. After the two panelists, there was a final interview. That final interview appeared, that and final interview also closed. There is a three kind of rounds I have appeared when I am joining. But when generally we are recruiting, at the time of recruitment, the same criteria we are following, but depends upon the position what we are hiring. If the position is 0 to 5 years experience category, we have a different selection process, like initial interaction, telephonic interaction, then calling for office and written examination, technical examination, and final interview. So kind of different selection process are there. I hope you if you hope you know that the selection process, complete selection process applicable depends upon the requirement. If the bigger position, there is no written examination. If the position is less, then the compulsory written examinations is there.
Okay, okay, sir. Like,
But we came across all complete selection process method.
like you're trying to say that if for a different job vacancy, there will be different selection process.
Yes, yes, correct. You're right. Yes.
Yes, sir. Like, how was your experience of the selection process, sir?
Yes, it's very good because we are meeting new people every time when we are conducting interview. We are meeting the new people and we are getting some exposure with interacting with them. It's very nice. People also very interestingly participating in the interview, and it's very good. My exposure is good in the selection process.
Okay, sir. Like, what was there any question on salary? Did you have to bargain for a specific salary, sir?
You mean to say when I am joining to this company
Yes, sir.
or
Yes,
when
sir.
I'm recruiting
When
to
you are
this company?
joining, did
Where,
you?
yeah, yeah. Yes, when I am joining, I have clearly mentioned this what expected. So I expected is like not that much higher salary and all. I expected reasonably, and my company also satisfied the same. They fixed
Okay.
the same salary. I am agreed and I joined. I
Okay.
am not not bargained at that moment because I am satisfied.
Okay. Is there any specific aspects of the company you felt happy about it or not happy about after the selection process, sir?
Not such event. There is no such event like that. I am very happy. Specifically after joining this organization, I feel good environment. It means a very friendly working environment. Okay, flexible working timings and all. How to say that? Freedom to work independently. Guidance from the superiors. So all these factors motivated me to perform well, and there is no negative point here.
Okay. Like you are saying there's very happy specific aspects about this company while doing the selection process. You are happy about it.
Yes, I'm very happy on this.
Like next thing is, did you went through any induction training program? If so, can you explain it?
Yes, Mr. Varun. At the time of I am joining this organization, I gone through for 2 days induction training. There is a schedule they arranged me. My seniors has arranged me 2 days induction training program. Completely first day I just gathered the information about the company, what are all the services they are providing, where are all the branches, how many employees are there, what is company objectives, goals, vision, mission statements, all overall detail about the company. I clearly understand and educated by the company HR department at this time at the time. After the second day section, I was clearly described. They clearly described this is your job roles and responsibility. So this is what your day-to-day activities. This is your target. You have to do. These are all your day-to-day activities. These are all your responsibility. You will be responsible for these are all the activities. They given me the job description very clearly, and they stated that this is what we are expected from you. So in that point of view, I am very clear that what company is expecting from me. So I know what is my role here.
Okay, sir.
So kind of about the leave facility. What is the leave facility? Other general activities during the induction training. So other general things like opening salary account, bank details, and other formalities, statutory related formalities, account opening process, and PF and ESI related create for process, insurance related process, kind of all arrangements. It is called as the joining formalities. Complete joining formalities has been done during these 2 days.
Okay. Like who gave you the introduction about your job duties, your company rules and regulation, and the co-workers who are working in your department, sir?
Yes, actually, I met different kind of people. I met the senior level, the department head, and I met the line managers, and I met marketing, finance, all the division heads, all the different kind of department heads I met at the time of induction training, and they explained me the complete points related to their departments and related when I appeared for the induction training with my department head, and they explained very clearly about my job roles and responsibility and all the details and about the team. They gave me introduction with the colleagues, teammates, and the ongoing projects, ongoing assignments. All the details was there clearly explained to me.
Okay, sir. Like how many times you undergone training program in a year, sir? And what are the different training programs attended at the last 2 times, sir?
Generally, whenever we need a training in a particular skill set, our company is arranging. They are welcome. I mean, they are calling, motivating for go for this kind of training. Actually, I went for 2 trainings in the last couple of months. One is related to the soft skill development, and another one is HR related, like engagement, how to engage the employees, kind of training. So these 2 trainings I recently appeared, and I successfully completed the training programs.
Okay, sir. Who decides and conducts the training program, sir?
Uh, it's the head of the department.
Okay. Like was the content covered in the training program was sufficient?
Yes, absolutely, it's fine because the duration, the content which they topic they covered, that is sufficient time for that particular duration, and the topics also very clear. Time also they consumed for that particular topic is very enough, enough, and we discussed most of the points related to the topic, and we exchanged the experience on that.
Okay. What are the contents you have learned in the training program is been applicable for your job, sir?
Yes, it is applicable. Yes.
Okay. Like when did you attend the training program, sir? Is it in office hours or in separate hours, sir?
It is not during the office hours. Generally, the trainings will be organized the weekend. Actually, we can say Saturday, Sunday, because the day-to-day work activity should not be stopped because of that. So generally, we will plan on weekend holidays.
Okay. Was the training program has been evaluated? If evaluation, can you explain the evaluation of the training program, sir?
Yes, Mr. Varun, the training program is evaluated at the end of the section, and one side is they conduct like examination based on the marks, and other side they will ask like some questions like quiz kind of questions, and this based on these 2 evaluation methods, so they will because then when it comes to soft skill related program training, there is no that much of like rating or marking system and all over there.
Okay.
Okay, the training will be explained to you through PPT presentation and oral explanation, and with come some case studies. We have to take the point. We have to understand the complete scenario of that particular topics.
When was the last time your performance has been evaluated?
My performance was evaluated last financial year. I can say March 2020.
Okay. Who did the evaluation for you, sir?
My reporting authority, reporting boss.
What are the parameters is been used for evaluating your performance?
One is related to the progress, means job deliverable, and another one is related to the individual skills. Okay, so
Okay.
these are all the two parameters they consider for the evaluation.
Okay, sir. Like,
Whether
do you?
in this complete evaluation, they identified whether I met their expectation or not.
Okay, okay, okay. Like, did you receive any feedback for your performance evaluation?
Yes, sometime yes, it is. I'm received when I'm compiling my self evaluation, this performance form. After that, the form will goes to the concern my reporting boss. My reporting boss will review the my self evaluation details and all, and because uh, they are the right person, so they knows where I need improvement. So they suggested, so you have to improve this particular area. You have to go for this training. You have to learn this. You have to make strengthen yourself in this particular topic. You are okay. You are expert on this particular topic, but however, you need to improve this area. So this will be helpful for your future. So this will helpful for the company also. So kind of suggestions I am receiving. Generally,
Okay.
I have received during the performance appraisal. Yes.
What are the feedback you've been received is making you improve in your job?
Based on the feedback from
Yes, sir.
my superiors, I used to improve my where I need improvement. So that area I am particularly focused and improved in that point.
Okay. Have you worked in team, sir? If yes means, can you say any one assignment we have with you? Have you done with your team?
Yes, we are working worked as working as well as worked as a team only. Okay, when it comes to a assignment, bigger assignment and all, that time we need to work as team because individually we cannot complete a bigger assignment with a specified time period. Okay, we had a couple of assignments in earlier. So if you want, I will detail on that.
Yes,
Because
sir.
when it comes to a teamwork, at that time we are splitting the jobs. So there is like activities. We are first of all we are planning the what are all the things has to be done
Okay,
to
okay,
who is responsible for which activity, what is the deadline, whether the we are going in a right track with the right duration, whether we are meeting the requirement as per the timeline. So all these things evaluating and
okay,
finally finishing that activity.
okay, sir. Like, what are the monetary and non-monetary benefits you have received other than salary, sir?
I can say monetary means monetary benefit is salary only. Okay.
Okay,
Non-monetary, here I can explain about the non-monetary benefit. Non-monetary benefit means I can say companies provided me and my family the insurance coverage and annual health checkup and free training programs like companies offered to do this course. Companies offered to go for ISTDs. Kind of these kind of opportunities I am receiving apart from any monetary benefits.
okay, okay. Like, how often have you received your promotion?
Uh, I am working this company past 4.5 years. Okay, so once in 2 years, I was received the promotion.
Okay.
But
Is there?
however, it is depends upon individual. Okay, it depends
Okay.
upon individual and it is depends upon the growth. So it is not like a fixed once in 2 years you will get the promotion. Not like that. It depends upon the how we are performing.
Is there any like we can ask like chart or performance for giving you a promotion, sir?
Say again, please.
Like, is there any increase in the pay for high performance?
Yes, because these promotions motivates generally when they are promoting. This is another kind of motivation actually. When it's a pride now. So when I'm getting a promotion, it has motivated, it is stimulated us to perform well and to go ahead next level. So yes, I can say yes. It was motivated me. It is motivated. Yes.
Okay. Like, have you faced any issues? And if you have facing any issues, who will you report, sir?
I'm not faced any issues. If I faced any like work related difficulties, if I faced work related difficulties, I will get the support from my superior.
Okay. Have any of your friends shared about his or her grievances in the company, and how was the grievances is been solved? And what are the suggestions will you give for improving themselves, sir?
The grievances, you want to know whether colleagues have shared their grievances.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they're coming with up their issues related to the salary or the leave, long leave, or the other benefits, kind of things and all. That has to be discussed on the time to time with the concerned department heads and resolved.
Okay. Plus, as we came to the end of the session, I have concluding with these two questions. Have you what are the two practices you like about your company, sir?
So I like two practices. One is conducting this performance evaluation on time, and second one is uh, they are fixing, means they are very clear on what we are expecting. Okay, they are focused on individual, like employee support, employee growth. Okay, and as well as they are conducting the culture programs and the festivals, and it's very good in this company related to the culture aspect.
Is there any two practices you want to change in your company, sir?
uh, to be treated permanent and temporary employees common. Okay, try to avoid there is a maybe it may depends upon the company requirement, that I am feeling that that area to be corrected in future, so people will be treated as equally, treated equally.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. This was a valuable interview with you, and it was a pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Varun.